let's do the simplification of algebraic expressions. For simplification, we have the rule, BODMAS rule. In BODMAS rule, B stands for the bracket, O stands for off, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So that means we have to simplify according to this rule. That is, first of all we have to remove the brackets, or you can say the bracket, it should be removed, or bracket should be off. Then we'll do the division, solve this division. After that, multiplication, addition, and the last one is subtraction. So we have this example over here. Before doing this example, starting with this, I'll tell you the priority order of brackets. Now brackets are of four types: line brackets, as you can see over here, round brackets as these, curly brackets are these, and these are the square brackets. So you have a priority order, that is, first of all you have to solve the line bracket, then round bracket, after that curly, and finally the last one as rectangular brackets. So we'll start solving this now. For this we have the line bracket somewhere over here. So we'll start targeting the bracket of line bracket first. So we'll write down the rest of the terms as it is: 12x minus 3x minus 4y plus 8 minus 5x. Make sure you are not changing any other thing except solving this part. Now when you will open this bracket, the minus sign will get multiplied. So we get minus y minus minus plus 9, and that's it. So we write rest of the terms as it is. In one step, apply only one step. Then what we can see, we have got rid of the line bracket. What is the next type? We have the round brackets now to be solved. So we have the two round brackets here as well as here. We are going to solve them. We'll write 12x minus 3x minus 4y plus 8. Now minus 5x minus and minus plus y minus plus minus 9, and that's it. Now we have minus 2x minus x minus minus plus 3y, and that's it. Now we have got rid of all the round brackets also. We can simplify this bracket and then solve it, because now we have the target of simplifying curly brackets. So let us do that. In the next step we have 12x minus 3x minus, first of all solve this, that would be 4y plus y, giving us the like terms are together here, so we can add them up. 4y plus y gives us 5y minus 5x plus 8 and minus 9 gives you minus 1. So now the rest remains as it is. Here also we can solve. Minus 2x minus x becomes minus 3x plus 3y. So now we have to open the curly bracket. For that we'll start 12x minus 3x. Now minus 5y minus minus plus 5x and minus minus plus 1 minus 3x plus 3y. We have got rid of our curly bracket. Now we have the two, solve only the square brackets. For that we can simplify the terms. Minus 3x and plus 3x gets cancelled. So we get 12x minus 5y plus 3y. We get minus 2y plus 5x remains as it is, and the last one that we have is plus 1 only. So now the final step would be 12x, opening the brackets, that would give us minus minus plus 2y minus plus minus 5x and minus plus minus 1. So what do we have now? 12x and minus 5x as the like terms, we can solve them. So what is 12x minus 5x? That makes how much? 7x. So we write 7x plus 2y minus 1 as the final answer. Reason being, now we have the like terms in the expression which cannot be solved any further, and these cannot be solved any further, so we'll leave it as it is. So basically when you are simplifying any algebraic expression, always apply the BODMAS rule, that is, start solving the brackets, removing the brackets, and brackets are to be removed in the order like this: line, round, curly, rectangular. After that you will have to do the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction.